How to hide Instagram post without blocking. Hey guys, in today's video, I will show you how to hide Instagram post from someone without blocking them. If you just want to not see posts from a particular account, but you don't want to totally block them, then continue watching. This should be a quick video since it is easy, so if it helps, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, leave a comment down below. So let's jump straight into the video. Just open our app and go to the profile. Click on the top right and go to settings. Scroll down and look for restricted. This might vary on other devices or OS. Some settings are you have to go first on privacy, then restricted accounts. Anyway, in here, you can search for the account you want to restrict. If you have found it, just click on this button beside them, and it will be added to the restricted accounts. To unrestrict them, just click on this button again. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helps you. And once again, leave a like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.